Hello friends, in this video I want to show you how to draw straight lines horizontally in MS Word. So very simple and easy method to draw straight horizontal lines. Just click anywhere where you want to insert line and draw line. Then click on insert shapes, click on line. Now press and hold shift key. So you can draw this horizontal line. So very easy and simple. Click on insert shapes, line, shift and horizontal. So press shift and hold shift key and draw your line so it will be straight. You want to change size, color, design. Outline, weight, like this. So hopefully guys you like this video. By these simple steps we can know how to draw straight lines horizontally in MS Word. Thanks for watching this video.